Next is locus of control. Locus of control is the degree to which you perceive control over a situation, being internal or external. Means is a degree to which you perceive any type of control over a situation, being internal or external. It refers to range of beliefs that you hold in terms of being controlled by self, that you hold in terms of being controlled by self, that is internal locus, that is controlled by self, or controlled by others or the situation is called external locus. Clear? Locus of control is the degree to which, means in is the control that you perceive over a situation, being internally or externally. Internal means by self, controlled by self, or external means controlled by others or the situation. Clear? Next is self efficacy. It refers to a belief about your own ability to deal with events and challenges, means how you can deal with events and challenges in your life. High self efficacy result in ability of staying happy. If you have high self efficacy, that then it result in ability of staying happy even with little, and having greater confidence in dealing with varied situations of varying degrees of difficulties. It has also been observed that success in your situations may lead to increased self efficacy for your present and future challenges. If you are successful, then your self efficacy increased. And if you have high self efficacy, then you will stay happy and you will deal with challenges in your life effectively. Clear? Next is self esteem. It is your general feeling of self worth. Individuals with high self-esteem have positive feeling about themselves. Self-esteem, you can say that self-respect. Positive feelings about themselves, while those with low self-esteem are strongly affected by others think of them and may view themselves negatively when criticized by others. Okay, clear? If you have high self-esteem, then you have positive thoughts, positive feelings about themselves. And if you have low self-esteem, then you are strongly affected by what others think of them and may view themselves negatively when criticized by others. Clear? Next is self-monitoring.